Hello, good morning, and here we are. It's Mike Tingler from Absolutely Clean Stone Care, and we're here on location to actually help restore some African black slate. As you can see, what we've done is we've taken some time to actually mask off the area where we're going to start the work. We've actually vacuumed around the edges, we've vacuumed the main floor, and we've actually prepared and protected the walls, the window ledges, the glass, the window boards, so on and so forth. We're ready for the next part of the operation, which is essentially we're going to start applying a solution of environmentally friendly wax and residue remover. So what that will do is it will help loosen and strip off the old sealer. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what we're doing is apply the wax and residue remover onto the floor. We've allowed it to sit for a few minutes, about 10 minutes, and now we're actually using the scrubber to actually take off the old sealant. You can actually see, you know, the old sealant coming off in flaky pieces. So we're going to actually cover the whole of the floor, go over that again, and then the next part of the operation is actually to use the SX12, which is a very high pressured water jet, spinning water jet, which will help remove the last few bits of the sealant. Okay, so we'll just carry on with this for a little while. Okay, so what we're doing now, we're actually scrubbing all of the mortar joints just to try and release as much of the old sealer as possible. Okay, so what we're doing now, we're actually blasting the residue, the old sealer off. Here there, it's actually removing the old sealer off the side. It's going to leave us with a nice strip to work with. Okay, we've actually stripped the floor back to as far as we can actually get it now with wax and residue remover. We then carried on with some heavy duty sealant removal by using aggressive brushes and pads to actually strip away the old sealer once it had been softened. We've then used our SX12 to power away as much of the old sealer as possible and collect that back up into the dirty effluent tank. We've then actually scrubbed the area. We're now going to completely finish drying it off before we start applying the sealer. Hello again. So this job's finally getting towards a completion and we're on the final part of the floor now. We've managed to get all of the old sealer off, and a good thing to show you is this is the floor now in its raw open state. Okay, so it's had the sealer remover on, it's had the machinery on to agitate it and help remove it, and you can see that the stone is actually in its raw open. So it was first brought out of the fabrication shop after being brought out of the quarry. Now then, what the pleasing thing to show you is that if we just move through a little bit, you can actually see that we're going to work on this floor now to actually start applying the sealer. But if you have a look up here, these are the sort of results we're actually being able to develop. And it's quite pleasant to see from what it was like to what it's like now. Okay, we'll just have a walk through and have a look at the whole area. and you can see it's actually got a beautiful lustre to it now. It's as good as the day it was laid. Now this has actually got 4 coats of the sealer on, and we expect to have at least another 1, maybe 2 coats before we've actually finished and completed our work, which hopefully will be sometime today. Okay, well let's get started on this final part of the floor then. Regular maintenance, so it wants to be just a flat mop, just to dry dust everywhere, you know, perhaps on a daily basis or even a couple of times a day, wouldn't hurt at all. And then what we've got is we've got some special chemicals that we will actually leave with you to help start the program off for regular maintenance, and that's a Care and Maintainer product which is supplied by New Life. Okay. That's it. Thank you very much for your time. Bye for now.